Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and listen, I wanted to talk to you a little bit as a real estate agent about what's going on with home buyers these days. Of course, as soon as I hit Facebook Live, the clouds disappear and the sun is in my eyes here. But I wanted to talk a little bit about it because of all the agents that I talk to on a continuous basis, they're struggling with their home buyers and not being able to find properties that match what the buyer's looking for. When they do find a home, of course, there's 20 or 30 offers on the property. Frankly, if you're offering 10% over asking price, there's a really good chance you can't get a home for them. So here's what you need to know. The fact is, in today's market, you're not going to find properties on the MLS for the buyers that you represent. You have to find an alternative way to find properties for the clients that you're representing. By the way, if you don't know me, I'm Greg Luther. I coach about 30,000 realtors around the country, and every single day I hear the same complaints. I hear complaints about we're not able to find a property. When we do find a property, there's 20, 30 offers. We're writing offers over asking price, and we were the 9th best offer, even though we were way over asking price. Well, what if you take yourself out of that equation for a second? What if you decide you're not going to participate with the MLS and that multiple offer situation? If you get good at marketing, if you understand how to find off-market or pre-market properties, your buyer is the only one that knows that home's for sale. So of all the agents that I coach with Greg Luther Inner Circle, they're trying not to participate with the MLS by saying, you know what, let me find out what this buyer's looking for. Let me send an every door direct mail. Honey, come over here. There's my dog running away. She's always looking in the bushes. We just came up from Florida. She thinks there's lizards in Ohio. There's not. But anyway, if you utilize a marketing piece that goes out to homeowners that says, hey, I got a buyer that wants to buy in your area. We can close whenever you want. We can give full market value, and you don't have the hassles of listing it on the open market. What happens is, if the home's worth $600,000, your buyer gets it at $600,000, and there's only one offer on this deal. Okay. Now, a lot of people would say, well, why would the seller do that? They could sell for more. They're looking for convenience. Same reason you sell your car under market value to the wholesaler, to the dealership, right? Everybody does that. So we teach a lot of that with Greg Luther Inner Circle, and the fact is, if you're working with buyers and you're not doing it that way, you're probably going to cost yourself $10,000, $15,000 for every single one of these clients that you're participating in this multiple offer situation where people are fighting over inventory. You've got to create your own inventory. So when you get that marketing side right, and there's a postcard campaign that's working really, really well on the member site. If you're not a member with us, by the way, go to getfastclosings.com. There's about a 40-minute training there, free marketing that'll show you how to get some marketing out there to generate buyers and sellers for yourself. But if you are an Inner Circle member, you can start to utilize that. Speaking of which, for those of you that are interested in finding out how to get more listings for yourself, I have a new training coming out here in about 48 hours that I'll be giving to everybody totally free on Facebook as well as YouTube. So you'll want to make sure you're following this page and you turn on notifications. There's no catch. You're literally going to get it for free. I'm recording it this evening. I just got through all the slide decks and making sure it's in an order that you can implement this to start making some money for yourself. So make sure you're following the page and you turn on notifications. Like this video wherever the blue thumbs up is. Like this video, and that tells me you're interested in getting sellers for yourself, getting listings in your marketplace. I'll make sure and get you that free training. I think you'll find it to be incredibly helpful. You'll always see agents that are utilizing our approach. They're making money. They're closing lots of deals. We just did this huge coaching retreat where agents were talking about $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 a month. Why? Because there's money running through the streets right now. The real estate market has never been hotter than it is right now. You need to make sure you're getting your share of it. There's money running through the streets. If you are not getting your share of it, it's because you're fighting with obscurity. So we need to talk a little bit about that. I'll show you that inside the training. You can go to getfastclosings.com. By the way, what do you think is more important to you right now, buyers or sellers? Leave a comment right here. What do you think is going to make you more money in today's market? Tell me in the comments, buyers or sellers? Because if you have an approach that will get them for you, obviously life becomes a whole lot easier. And we know where that money's at right now. So I'm creating that training tonight. I'll be releasing it in the next 2 days. And I think you'll find it to be incredibly helpful for you and your real estate business. So again, if that's something you're interested in, just smash the like button here. But make sure you have notifications turned on for this particular page. We have agents all the time that are like binge watching. I have literally over 1,000 videos on our Facebook page that will give you little tips on how to grow your business. You need to go into our page here and start binge watching some of this content. The headline on top of each video will tell you what it's about. Watch it. It's totally free. You'll find it incredibly helpful. I want to get you closing a lot more business. So anyway, you'll be seeing that coming out over the next couple days. Go out and make some money. Let me know how I can help you. Inbox me if you have any questions. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.